How to fix PocketBase Unauthorized Error. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix unauthorized error on PocketBase 401 fix. So without further ado, let's get started. Now to fix a PocketBase 401 unauthorized error, if you're using PocketBase client on mobile, you can just follow the steps that I'm going to show you on your macOS or Linux, right? Basically, you have to ensure a valid authentication token or header. So basically, you have to make sure authorization : token is included in your API request. So you have to refresh expired tokens via auth refresh, re-authenticate using correct admin or record credentials, and also verify that API collection rules permit the requested operation. And after you follow this step, you should be able to fix the 401 unauthorized error. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.